click on share, it will allow you to share the file. So that's all for a video right now. We talked about how the video works. Now let's get back to home. Now at home we can see we talked about videos. Similar to the videos, you can see lots of different options. It can be presentation, Facebook post, logos, t-shirt, flyer, etc. So firstly we will talk about some other features and then we can again come back to these. So let's go down and see learn and play. Here you can see different options that says graphic design basics, weekly design challenge, what is Canva Pro, new things to try. So if you are new to Canva, this can be really helpful for you. So let's begin and click on graphic designs basic. When you click on graphic designs basics, it's allow you to see how Canva works and what are the features available on Canva. So let's just start. Learn, play. Watch a video and learn what you need to do. Interact with the elements to complete activity. Here you can see about the alignment. Is alignment. Does the design feel neat and tidy? Look for Canva's handy guides when moving elements around the page. You can see lots of options here how to create. These are the guides that will help you go easier and learn about the basics in Canva. We have talked about many of them. Here you can see the alignment. How does it work? You can see in the video how to align any of the text. Here you can see the option. We talked about resizing and readjusting the file. This is what it actually is. So going to the grouping, now here you can see organize designs by grouping similar things together. How can you build relationships between elements to help understanding? You can see the example right here. Similarly, here you see the video of how to move and group similar elements. You see all the elements getting together. Similarly, click and drag to visually